बहुत शुक्रिया। आप सुबह से यहाँ वेट कर रहे थे। आज इलेक्शन के बाद पहली पार्टी की जो वर्किंग कमेटी है वो जनाब डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब जो सदर हैं उसकी चेयरमैनशिप में हुई, जिसमें हमारे नायब सदर और वज़ीर आला उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब के अलावा हर कोई वर्किंग कमेटी का मेंबर और स्पेशल इन्वाइटी प्रेजेंट थे। 7 रेजोल्यूशंस इसमें पास हुए हैं और उन 7 रेजोल्यूशन को मैं आपके सामने पढ़ूंगा। उसके बाद अगर उर्दू में भी किसी को चाहिए होगा मैं कोशिश करूंगा उसको ट्रांसलेट करने की। जो पहला रेजोल्यूशन हमारा पास हुआ मैं अंग्रेज़ी में पढ़ूंगा। द वर्किंग कमेटी स्ट्रांगली कंडेम्ड द हॉरिफिक बाइसरन अटैक that claimed the lives of 26 innocent individuals, including a young Kashmiri, Syed Adil Hussain Shah. It also denounced the continued cross-border shelling that took the lives of 23 innocent civilians. The committee expressed deep sorrow and solidarity with the bereaved family. It also paid heartfelt tributes to the working committee members and party activists who have passed away since the last meeting, acknowledging their invaluable contribution and unwavering dedication. Resolution 2. The working committee unanimously reaffirmed its unwavering commitment to the restoration of Jammu and Kashmir's special status. The committee reiterated that this is central to the aspirations and dignity of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and must be addressed without further delay, and we will continue to fight for its restoration. Resolution 3. The working committee also urged the Government of India to restore full statehood to Jammu and Kashmir immediately, as promised on the floor of Parliament and repeatedly echoed in public domain, and also as committed by the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court. Resolution 4. The committee welcomed the announcement of the ceasefire and called upon both the countries to uphold peace and explore long-lasting peaceful solution to end violence. Resolution 5. The working committee reiterated the party's unwavering commitment to the promises made in its manifesto. It reaffirmed its resolve to continue the political and the constitutional struggle for justice, peace and the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir through democratic means. Resolution 6. The working committee appreciated the spontaneous and overwhelming support of the people of Jammu and Kashmir in unequivocally condemning the Baisaran attack in Pahalgam. It also acknowledged the compassion and hospitality extended to the tourists who found themselves stranded in the valley during challenging times. The committee called upon the Government of India to recognize and respect this powerful expression of solidarity and not squander the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity extended by the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It further cautioned the arbitrary arrests, harassments of youth, targeted use of bulldozers and intimidation of legitimate media voices will only alienate the very people who have stood firmly for peace and against violence. और जो आखिर का हमारा था रेजोल्यूशन 7. The working committee expressed serious concern over the reports of harassment faced by students, traders and residents of Jammu and Kashmir in various parts of the country. It strongly condemned their selective targeting in the aftermath of recent attack. The committee called upon all state governments to ensure the safety, dignity and protection of the lives and property of all people of Jammu and Kashmir living or working in other parts of the country. इसका हम आपको जो हार्ड कॉपी है हम आपको वो भेज देंगे।